The phrase that defines urgency. Hey there, welcome back to Krish Spoken English. Today's phrase, need of the hour. Not tomorrow's need, not yesterday's wish. It's what's urgent, what's necessary right now. And if you feel like your life has one big priority at this moment, this is for you. The phone call that changed everything. One evening, your phone rings. It's a friend in trouble. They're stranded, scared, alone. They don't need a motivational speech. They don't need a long story. The need of the hour is someone to reach them. You grab your keys, you go. Sometimes the need of the hour is action, not words. Comment in the chat if you have ever rushed up to help someone without thinking twice. The exam week panic. Remember that time your exams were just days away, but you were still scrolling social media. Suddenly it hit you. The need of the hour wasn't Netflix, it was studying. You shut the phone, you opened the book, and you powered through. In that moment, focusing on what matters most right now saved you. The last bus home. It was raining hard. I was miles from home, standing at a lonely bus stop. I checked my watch. The last bus was in 5 minutes. In that moment, the need of the hour wasn't an umbrella. It wasn't scrolling my phone. It was catching that bus. So I ran, splashed through puddles. I made it just as the doors closed. Sometimes the need of the hour is moving fast before the chance is gone forever. Have you ever had to act quickly or lose your chance? Comment in the chat. What need of the hour really means? Need of the hour means the most important thing at this very moment. It could be drinking water after a long run, charging your phone when the battery is at 1%, speaking up when silence will hurt more. It's not about what's nice to have, it's about what's urgent to do. What's your need of the hour? So tell me, what's your need of the hour right now? Sleep, a break from work, a kind word, or maybe finally sending that message you have been avoiding. Type it out in the comments. When you name it, you start to face it. Urgency creates change. The reason need of the hour matters is because when you identify what's truly urgent, you stop wasting time on what's not. Small focus shifts can change everything in work, in life. Live in the now. You showed up here today, and maybe that's because learning is your need of the hour. The more we focus on what matters right now, the more we grow. This is Krish Spoken English, where every lesson is made for the moment you are living. Until next time, stay focused, stay present, and take care of your need of the hour.